Hello, it's John Betke, John Betke and Son Plumbing again. Today we're going to talk about garbage disposals. We're going to have two topics. One, how to properly use a garbage disposal. And number two, what do you do in case you have any problems? When you're using a garbage disposal, water is a must. Make sure the water is running, even before you put any food waste into it. Disposers can handle just about anything with enough water. But what do you do if you run into a problem? There's only a couple of things that can happen. The first and most common is the disposer is going to get clogged. If that happens, go ahead and fill the bowl of the sink up about 3/4 full and then turn the switch on. Oftentimes that'll clear the obstruction on its own. If not, you use a plunger. You want a plunger that's got a nice flat surface like this so that it molds to the bottom of the sink bowl and it'll give you the most force when you're trying to plunge it. Those two things should get you out of trouble. Now, what else can happen with a disposer? If it gets jammed, you won't hear the normal grinding sound. It'll be more of a quiet humming sound. If that happens, there's a tool that you can insert on the bottom center of the motor and unjam it. If nothing happens with the disposer, if it's totally dead, it's probably the reset switch. What you'll need to do is turn the switch off on the countertop, go underneath, hit the reset, come back above, turn it back on, and it should be working. So that's a little bit about garbage disposals. Thanks for visiting us, and you can check more out at betkeplumbing.com.